everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion and beauty and lifestyle content here on this channel. And today we're going to do a little bit of like a day in the life vlog. It's already 1:30, so I'm not going to be able to show you my morning anymore, but I have a lot to do and I didn't really want to sit down and do a sit down video. I kind of just wanted to show you what I do during a school day. Now today just so happens to be a school day at home. I don't have to go into class today, but I have a lot of work to do online. A lot of assignments. I have to write and submit an article for the organization that I'm in, Nutri News. I need to make some lunch pretty soon because I'm hungry. I already meal prepped Nick some breakfast. I make him this like French toast that he really likes. And I've already done some assignments. It has been a day. And then I did my makeup because I was going to do a beauty video, which I can still do for you guys. I have my top 10 favorite beauty products that I loved literally the entire year so far. So I definitely want to share those with you guys, but let's just jump right into what we're going to be doing today. I'm having the most random lunch, so please don't judge me, but let me show you. Low-fat cottage cheese, 2 Alyssa's cookies, some dry roasted pistachios, and some broccoli chips from Trader Joe's, and the rest of my coffee. I just am not feeling like eating an actual meal. I just wanted little snacks, so that's what this is. I also wanted to show you some random updates for the house. Excuse a mess because part of what I need to do today is clean. So literally ignore my Costco haul right over there. But we completed this IKEA unit. I'll link everything down below that like I got, and then I put my mirror on it. I just ordered some stuff from Anthropologie, like mirrors and like decor pieces that I'm gonna put up here, so I'm super excited. And then over here, this is another IKEA unit, and then this is all changing up here, but I'm keeping like this marble tray, and then I'm making like a super moody moment in this corner. You can see through my pantry and everything, but again, ignore it. But this is where we're keeping our shoes, and then yeah, I'm changing out the decor other than that marble tray that I got on Amazon, but I'm really excited because it's starting to look a lot cuter in here. And a little update for the living room. I need to get new pictures for these frames, but I got this from World Market with my mom. It is such a sturdy, really pretty marble frame. That's just a stock image. I'm not keeping a draft picture in there, even though it's cute. And then this is a picture I printed out a while ago, me and my niece, so I want to get like a professional picture and put it in the frame. Again, decor will change, but I finally got some pillows. Those 2 are from Amazon. I have 4 of them total. It's a crushed velvet, and it's like a champagne color, so it's super pretty and neutral. And then I got 2 of these like beige ones from Amazon, or no, IKEA. So these are from Amazon, these are from IKEA. And I'll link everything down below just in case you guys are interested in the stuff that I got. But this is how the living room is coming along. I didn't make my couch or anything, so it's a disaster. And this is where I'm working. I made like a little station and my clothes that I folded. So there's all the intel, but it's looking cool. Because I don't have that much of a break that I can take today, I am eating my lunch and watching the new Shan XO video, her full face of first impressions. Oh my gosh, she always comes up with literally the best makeup, and I'm kind of inspired to try the Huda Beauty glowish foundation thing. Let me know if you guys have tried that because I'm really interested. And hold on, let me show you her skin. It looks really good. I know I paused on a really random spot, but like look how glowy her skin is. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed. So she hasn't even finished like powdering or even putting on the tinted moisturizer over it. It's just the glowish. So I'm really interested in that now. Okay, so now it is time to do my medical nutrition therapy lecture. So how it works is on Tuesdays, we're supposed to review all of the recordings and all of the readings, and then on Thursdays we go into class and apply everything we learned. So now I have an hour and 20-minute lecture to watch right now, and then another 15-minute one. So I'm gonna be working on that for the next 2 hours, and then like making notes. And if I can, I'm gonna try to read some of chapter 3 today, and I'll show you what I'm learning. So this chapter is all on nutrition assessments. So after you have screened patients who are at risk for nutritional problems or malnutrition, then we go into the nutritional assessment. And this is the start of the lecture.
In the second module, we will be discussing...
And then this one I have to watch on, I think it says the diabetic exchange lists, so... Okay, I just finished that lecture and I can check something off of my list. I have an entire printout of everything that needs to get done this week, and there's a lot. And a lot of it needs to get done by tonight, so I'm like, ooh, we'll see if we can do it. But I need to make another coffee. I'm out. I just filled this glass with ice, but I wanted to show you my new syrups. I feel like I already showed you, but I don't think I did. So all the syrups I got came in, so let's make a coffee. Like I said, I already got ice. I've been using the La Colombe coffee. Oh, out of that one. I have so much laundry to do. Okay, I need to take a little studying break and I have to fold some of this laundry. This is both Nick and my laundry, so there's a lot here, but I figured I could update you guys on a few things while I am sorting through this, because there is a lot to uncover. But basically, I thought we were supposed to get our furniture yesterday on the 31st, because that's what we were told for the longest time, and then I didn't hear anything, so I was like, okay. So I called them, and basically they said that we're not getting the rest of our furniture, like the bed frame and then the other chest that I was gonna store a lot of my like YouTube stuff in, like tech stuff and products that I want to review. And like when I'm planning a video, sometimes I like group that stuff together and put it in an area so I like remember it. And so they said it's not getting here until the middle of October, which is so far away, and I'm kind of upset by that. Like, I know it's back ordered and there's nothing I can do about it, because that's just like the state of the world right now, still recovering. But it's just frustrating because like we ordered this furniture in June so we wouldn't have this problem, and we weren't told the extent of the back order. Like, we were told it was a lot better than it is. And sorry if I keep adjusting my bra. I'm trying out this new bra from Skims to see if I like it, and it's good until I start like popping out. And I'm wearing the 3X, and my bust is not a 3X in anything else. So anyway, we're kind of upset that we don't have our furniture, and we're not gonna have it for a while, but you know, what can you do? So I'm trying to put these clothes away, but then I need to start thinking about where I'm gonna store this stuff that I was going to store in the furniture that hasn't come yet. Just because, like, you know, that needs a place too. At least we were able to get some pieces from IKEA though, and I didn't want any IKEA furniture, but I had to kind of compromise because furniture is very expensive, and we spent a lot on these pieces from Ashley, and we couldn't really spend a ton more on other pieces. Like, I wanted a credenza, like the white one I showed you out there. Everything was like $1,000, so I was like, all right, I guess we're gonna go with the IKEA one and just keep it simple. And then we move into a new house, I can like make more investment furniture pieces, but for now I'm just kind of still trying to go more bang for your buck with the furniture that I buy. It's crazy how fast laundry accumulates. I feel like all I do is laundry. Alright, laundry is mostly done. I need to hang it up, but we'll do that a little bit later. I'm starting to crash. It is 3:58. But what's left on the list that has to get done today is I need to write my article for NutriNews. I need to go over the diabetic exchange list for medical nutrition therapy tomorrow, and then obviously I need to do skincare, and I wanted to work out today, but I don't think I'm gonna have time for that. Starting next week, I'm really going to prioritize my physical fitness and being active. I just don't have it in me today. I'm also on my period, so that's fun and fresh. I think I'm gonna go back to my lecture just because it's kind of short, this next one, and I'm already kind of in like the lecture headspace, so I'm going to learn this and then we will meet back up. I also need to finish within enough time today to edit this video so it can go up tomorrow. So that is the other challenge that we are going to run into later tonight when I'm absolutely exhausted, and we're still powering on. So yeah, let me just jump into this lecture. I'll show you a little bit of it, and then we will move on to the next activity of the day. So I decided just to move on to my Nature News article, and this month we're doing an issue on fermentation, but my article specifically is a little bit different. It's on spotting like false claims in the nutrition world versus real science. So I'll just show you what I'm writing. I'm just brainstorming right now, and then I'll polish the article later, but I'm just kind of getting everything out there. Alright, so today's dinner, I made a jalapeno popper burger. So I put in some ground chicken like you saw, and then I added in some diced jalapeno, a little bit of mozzarella pearls, and then I think I also put in salt, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed garlic, a little dash of sage, a little dash of soy sauce just for some depth of flavor, keeping it fun. And then I did some roasted broccoli and some sweet potato fries in the oven. It's so easy to throw together. It's one of those like mindless meals that I can just like throw together without even thinking about it. And I have a lot of the ingredients on hand. Like I just got those whole wheat brioche buns from Whole Foods, and they're so light and fluffy, and I love them so much. So definitely try those if you haven't. They're really good for burgers. And then when I toasted the bun, I put a little bit of ghee on it to get it a little extra crispy. So it was so delicious. I highly recommend trying this. You can also meal prep it too and just have the burger patties with like the veggies. So good. I think I'm gonna do that for leftovers. All right, you guys, dinner is over, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'm glad I could show you a little day in the life. I still have to edit and upload this video, but I'm glad we finished everything that we needed to finish today. I had so much schoolwork to do and so much like creating to do today. If you are also a dietetics student, just know I totally understand what you're going through right now. It's so much to do at all times, but we can do it. We got this. If you like this video, please feel free to click the like button, hit subscribe, and if you click on the little notifications bell, it'll let you know every time that I upload a new video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.